Hi, welcome to week 6 and lesson 1. It's a Monday, so we're doing lesson 12. So it's the last section, chapter 3.3, and it's on the reactions of life. In other words, these are chemical reactions. That's the reason why we are alive. And of course, one of them is photosynthesis. So remember, first up, we're marking our attendance. That should be open by now. Lesson 1. And then we're scrolling down to photosynthesis. Here we have several videos. I don't know if you need to watch all of them because we need to try and keep it as simple as possible. So remember, we have the lesson, which is a Word document. I notice some of you are not saving it to your Google Drive. So open this up and do your work here. Type in your answers to the pre-test, the post video questions, summarizing your PowerPoints and so forth. Remember, we did this. We've been doing this every lesson now. So remember, come back towards the end there. So you've got your pre-video, some simple questions. Go to the slideshow, watch the 3 videos, make some summary notes. The summary notes can go up here where you summarize what you have learned to date. And then we'll see and test your knowledge with the post-video questions. We don't forget you have the reactions of life, and you're told to do slides 1 to 4. And let's have a look. And there's that chemical equation, which is not balanced properly. Actually, there's a mistake in there. So let me show you my version. So make sure that you know the equation very clearly. You are expected to know it off by heart and fully balanced. So let's have a look. It is photosynthesis. Remember Fred Flintstone and his 5 types of reactions. One of them was synthesis. That's what we're looking at here. Photosynthesis is where light, using light, sun's light, to make food. Remember, it's plants that do the making, and they need water. We need to water our plants, and they actually draw in carbon dioxide so that they can make food. And so there's the product side, and of course, we benefit from them also in the way of it supplies our oxygen. That's why it's important to not chop down forests. They are our lungs. So that was the word equation. So you should all know what carbon dioxide formula is. The formula for water, H2O. Remember, oxygen gas, it always comes in pair. And this is the one that you'll have to remember. This is the glucose. It's a carbohydrate, right? Food. And the correct formula is C6H12O6. So that's the first thing you need to know. Carbon dioxide plus water gives us glucose, C6H12O6, carbohydrate, and oxygen. And here's an important thing, the balancing. Now, I'll give you a clue. It's a religious number. The number is the number for devil. What is the number for devil? Yes, that's right, 666. In other words, we have 3 numbers. Now, let's have a look at glucose. Hey, glucose has got enough 6s, so it doesn't need any more of those. So the 6s simply go there. And that's the balanced equation, which you'll notice is wrong in the slideshow. So just remember 666 for the carbon, the water, and the oxygen. And good old carbohydrate is that. As I say, it is important that you remember both the worded equation and the chemical equation as well. So work your way through the Word document, videos, and then don't forget to save it to your Google Drive. Have a good day. Oh, by the way, on Wednesday we're doing a prac, so it's important that you get to class on time because you'll be expected to complete the report by the end of the session. As the report doesn't require to do much writing, we should all be able to complete it in time. Have a good day.